Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2021 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank-full, comfy space for 5. A hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.